Roger, over halfway through the year now, 2018, for yourself here at Matsuura UK, how's it been?
It's been very busy. You know, we've taken quite a lot of orders this year from new customers. It's always good having a range of multi-pallet or single table machines because it gives you the flexibility to sell to either existing or new customers. The machines behind me are going to a major Formula One company, and this is part of a large investment for them.
I was going to say, I noticed the sold stamps. How many machines are in that order?
Total about 13, you know, so there's 4 machines here waiting to go in September. They've already got, I think, probably 6 machines already installed and some more on the way.
So that sounds like a pretty good year to me, or a pretty good start to the year. Let's touch on some of the new products. The MX330 was launched around about a year ago, or maybe a bit longer than that now. How's that gone in the UK? Because I know we've done a lot of work with you in trying to portray the benefits, which there are a lot. Have you sold many?
Yeah, we can't get enough of them, to be honest. You know, we have to order machines in advance from Matsuura. They take 5 to 6 months to get here, and we've got an order book with people waiting for machines. So it's been a great addition to our portfolio.
And then there's the 520 this year, the MX 520, which has been a phenomenal success for you as a single pallet machine. It now comes with the option of having the 4-piece pallet on it. How's the sales of that gone, and what's the interest been like since the Mac Show?
Well, the Mac Show was its first launch. It's been very busy since then with people wanting to see the machines, having inquiries, and the next exhibition we go to is SECO in October. It's been a great addition to the machines.
And do you think that the fact that you've now got these machines, the 330 and the 520 with the pallet systems on them, pallet pools, will actually reduce the sales of your single pallet machines in those areas, or do you think it will just bring in a new market for you?
I think it'll bring a new market in because the MXs have the pallet pools availability are limited on tools, so people who want more tools, maybe higher feed rates, higher rapids, will still move towards the MAN machines.
And when you see lots of new machines coming into the market, new 5-axis machines, there are a wash with new machine tools coming into the market, and often people are pushing them on their value, their price, trying to value engineer the machines. Matsuura do it very differently. Japanese quality, hand-built machine tools. Is the fact that those other machines are available having any impact on your sales, or do people not compare the two?
Well, it must be difficult for a customer to make a decision. That's the hardest thing they must have. We've got a lot of machines that are out in the field. We've got a lot of happy customers, reliable machines. So a lot of the times that we're trying to sell machines, especially to new customers, is that we can take them to a range of different customers and let them tell the experience. It's all right listening to a salesman, you know, everybody has to do it, but the people who are using the machines are the true salesmen.
And I think if there was a few words to kind of summarise a Matsuura machine, it would be precision, reliability, longevity. You know, they would be a good few, wouldn't they?
I think you said them all in.
You didn't even need to speak. Maybe I should be a salesman for you. Finally, on this point here, these are obviously are these 5-axis vertical
twin pallets?
5-axis vertical twin pallets, yeah.
Yeah, and then we'll go on to I think it's a 32 pallet system. So there'll be a linear rail vehicle in front of 8 machines.
And is the engineering all done here? We can see obviously the machines here. Is the order coming to Matsuura? Are you taking the responsibility for everything that goes into that customer?
Yeah, we buy the machines from Matsuura to a certain specification. The customers ask for more, with Balluff chips on the machines, with the probing, with hydraulics through the table, with the pallet system on the front. So that's done all in the UK. Yeah.
And if there was ever an example of a business that can supply a machine to a very small outfit, call it a one-man band with limited resource, up to a business that can supply, like we've said here, no names mentioned, this type of solution, there isn't many is there, other than Matsuura? Would you agree?
Well, we tend to think that we're very good at what we do. You know, we have got machines in at one-man companies. We've got them in multinational companies. The easiest thing to do is for somebody to come and talk to us to say what they want. We can then find a solution between ourselves, work together and supply them what we think is the best machine on the market.
And we see a lot of blue here. We can't forget that you've got the Murata, various other products under the portfolio. Are they going well as well?
Yeah, the same thing applies. You know, it's very rare we sell a machine that just gets delivered and some basic training. There's always a solution, a turnkey, part turnkey to go with the machine.
And to keep up with the growth of the sales, I know you've just taken on 3 new sales. I think you've doubled your sales force in the last year.
Yeah, we have. We're now 6 people, 6 sales guys. It's not just a sales team, though, because if you sell more machines, you've got to support it. You know, we're nearly 80 people here now, so we've got a lot of extra growth coming. We've got plans for more apprentices, which you need to have the younger guys coming through to do the sales, to do the servicing.
And I always think it's incredible coming here, Roger, when you can see the amount of stock that you do carry in machines. Again, it's worth a visit here because you've got machines pretty much of all kinds of specs, especially on the Matsuuras, haven't you?
Yeah, we try and keep as many machines of our range in stock. Multi-pallets, single table, 3-axis, horizontals with 15 pallets. We have around about 30 machines here at any one time. So, you know, they're here. Some of them are powered up, some of them are in our bonded warehouse. But we have the machines around us to be able to react quickly and to deliver to what the customer requires. Good
stuff. It'd be good to go and see these machines once they're installed if we get a chance. Enjoy the rest of the year and good luck for the second 6 months. Thank you, Roger.
Yeah, thanks, Paul. Thanks.